So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix USB not recognized on MetaQuest 3 cable developer mode and fix PC. So how to fix USB not recognized on MetaQuest 3. The MetaQuest 3 USB not recognized issue usually happen due to bad cables, missing permissions, disabled developer mode or outdated USB driver. Checking the cable, allowing data access in the headset, enabling developer mode and restarting device typically resolve the problem. So fix one is check the USB cable and port. A charging only cable or faulty USB port can prevent your headset from being detected by the PC. Disconnect the USB cable from your MetaQuest 3 and PC. Use a high quality USB-C data cable. Plug the cable into a different USB port on your computer, reconnect the headset and check if the PC detects it. A proper data cable allows file transfer and device communication between the headset and PC. So second fix is accept the USB connection inside the headset. Sometimes the PC cannot access the device because USB access permission hasn't been approved inside the headset. Put on the MetaQuest 3 headset after connecting it to the PC. Look for a USB connection notification inside the VR interface. Select Allow access to data. The device should now appear on your computer. Allowing USB access enable the headset to share storage with the PC. So third fix is enable developer mode. If you are connecting for file transfer, debugging or side loading, developer mode may be required. Open the MetaQuest app on your phone, go to menu, then devices, then select your MetaQuest 3 headset. Open headset setting, developer mode, turn developer mode on. Developer mode allows advanced USB communication between the headset and PC. So fourth fix is restart the headset and PC. A temporary system glitch can block USB detection. Turn off your MetaQuest 3 by holding the power button. Restart your computer, turn the headset back on. Connect the USB cable again. Restarting refresh the USB driver and clear temporary connection error. So fifth fix is update or reinstall USB driver on PC. Outdated driver can prevent Windows from recognizing VR devices. Connect the headset to your PC, press Windows plus X, device manager. Expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click the VR device and select update driver, then restart the PC. Updated driver ensure proper communication between the PC and the headset. Thank you.